Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you Facebook how to make someone admin of a page. So to make someone an admin of a page, you need to follow the steps. Open your page, you need to access page settings, and then here what you're going to do is you need to look for page roles. Actually, that was page roles before, but you can see that option right here. So what you're going to do is you look for page setup. Here under page setup, you have to click page access, tap this one. And then here, what you're going to do next is you have to click this people with Facebook access. So you have to click add new since you are the admin of this page and you want to add someone. So you have to click add new, read the following instructions, and then tap next. And then what you're going to do here is you need to search that person's profile or name. It's good if this person is your friend or it could be your other Facebook account. So once you have found the person's profile, you have to click. So I'm going to add Alexa Brooke and I am going to give her the full control. So I need to toggle this one on and then tap this give access button right here. So that means I'm going to give this person the access or the full control of the page. So let me enter my password and then after that, click confirm. And then you have to wait for that person to accept your invitation. So I think this person has 30 days to accept. And once she has accepted this, then she will be one of the admins of the page. So basically, that's how easy it is to make someone admin of a page. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.